This is Summerset, and we're introducing you to the new outdoor oven. This oven features a double-lined door with a glass viewing window and inset temperature gauge, an interior halogen cooking light, 2 racks with 3 placement options, 1 hanging smoker box for wood chips, 1 large pizza stone, an easy light ignition switch, a removable grease tray for easy cleaning, and chimney ventilation. This outdoor oven comes in both a built-in model and a freestanding model. The cart model features 1 storage drawer for convenient access to ingredients, cooking utensils, and accessories, a propane tank storage compartment, and 2 collapsible shelves for additional workspace. Our optional outdoor pizza stone kit comes with a 15 by 14 inch pizza stone, a stainless steel pizza stone rack, foldable pizza paddle, a 12.5 inch stainless steel cutter, a leather glove, a 9-inch stainless steel wheel cutter, an additional smoker box, and a stainless steel serrated edge serving spatula. This outdoor oven by Summerset adds versatility to your cooking experience, allowing you to cook, bake, and roast your favorite dishes in your own outdoor space. Take your weekend cookout to the next level and be sure to pick one up today.